Here's how to fix Western Union bank transfer has been pending. So the first thing that you're going to do is to make sure that when you are requesting and sending money, it is under the bank account, and you have to make sure that all the details that you put on your bank account is correct to avoid it being pending. Because if you put an incorrect, then it means that it will actually block the bank account that you have, or you can contact the customer care service for you to be able to have its solution. Now, here's how to contact them. First, you can go to Google Safari or any browser that you have and search for Western Union Customer Service, and you will be redirected to their hotline or to their website where you can go ahead and have a live chat with that agent. So as you can see, you can go ahead and click on Chat with Us. And once you click on the Chat with Us options, you will be able to see there the AI agent, or you can ask them for a live agent to assist you. You can also go ahead and track the transfer or anything that has been solved to your problem. Next is you can go ahead and give them a call, and a live agent will assist you through phone assist. You can dial this using your phone or any device that you have. Next is you have to make sure that you have turned on your Wi-Fi connection to avoid experiencing this kind of problems.